Hello friends, happy Friday. Thank you for joining me. Today we're getting right into decorating in the family room and we are going to finish off this room for fall. Let's add pillows. Isn't this pillow cute? Pumpkins and gourds and fall leaves. Love it. All right, now let's bring the cozy factor to the sofa. If you guys don't have one of these blankets, I highly recommend. I'll link it below. I hope it's still available. It's huge, so two can snuggle up underneath it and watch a cozy movie. And it looks like this on the other side, very soft and nice. This is like my go-to blanket every night for movie watching. Just look at the beautiful texture it adds to the sofa. So soft, so warm, so cozy. Okay, so now we're gonna make an arrangement to go on top of this cute little table. I found this on Amazon. If you're looking for an inexpensive table that's easy to put together, that can sit somewhere in your room to elevate some decor or a lamp or an arrangement, this is your table. Okay, so that table I just showed you, it's an inexpensive table. The wood quality is not top notch, I'm just being honest. However, there's a way to conceal it. So if you're on a tight budget and you need some furniture quick, get that piece and then do what I'm gonna do. And a great way to elevate an inexpensive piece of furniture is to simply add a beautiful tray on top of it. Or you can do a woven basket. Now, you can get these kinds of baskets all day long at Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, those types of stores. They're inexpensive, but they pack a punch when you put them on an inexpensive piece of furniture. I can promise you that. So I brought this over here just to show you that I'm gonna put this on top of the table, on top of the basket tray. I'm going to go in with this beautiful, unique shaped glass vase. I found this at Kirkland's over the summer. Your girl has got to have a pop of green all over my house. I love it. Green is my favorite color. And then when you add colors to it, it just pops. So I got these from Kirkland's over the summer. They were on clearance, but I hope you can see they're really pretty. There are two different types in here. So this part, I feel like I can use it, although it's a brighter green. Like this is starting to turn a little bit brown. And then I have these beautiful pieces. And then I'm going in with this to tie in to my mantle display. And also, this is tying into what I have here. So I hope when I do the final tour, you'll see that I wanted to make everything kind of look cohesive because this is a large open space. I wanted the colors to flow from furniture piece to mantle to over in the dining room. So we're gonna add these. These are from Hobby Lobby. They're gorgeous. I can't say enough about these. I don't know the name, I'm so sorry. I know many of you know what the name of these are. If you can, drop the name of it in the comments below because I know there's some of you that would like to know the name and I just don't know, but you can find these at Hobby Lobby. Now, I want this to look like I literally went out to the yard and just yanked some of these wild stems from the earth. Yeah, that's the look I'm going for. So I want it to be like kind of crazy. You know what I mean? Kind of like me. To this, let's pop these in. large. It's just gorgeous. Let's go place it. And this is why I love this table so much, because you can, like I said, you can find these trays all day long at Home Goods and those kinds of stores. And then if you want, you could decorate down below, but I really feel like it kind of elevated that table, the look of it anyway. You see, look how beautiful that looks just sitting right there. It's a splash of autumn right before my eyes. Okay, next, we're gonna work on this. Over here, I'm keeping that table and that table the same. Why? Because I just like this simplistic look on those tables. We're gonna go a little more crazy over here. So some things are staying the same, but I'm adding to it. So I already shared these books. So I'm gonna place these books over there in the corner and elevate a bowl with an arrangement in it. On top of the books, I'm gonna add this adorable planter. I found at Ross last year, and it was only $14.99. But does it not look like a pumpkin? Perfect to go on top of the stack of books. And now I'm going in with my favorite preserved floral stems. They're absolutely beautiful. When the light comes in and hits them, you can see little hints of purple. They're just gorgeous. Now, with that said, if you buy these, and I will say this every time, stick them outside. They have sort of a wildness kind of smell to them that's not exactly pleasant. So the way I fix that is I just stick them out there on the outdoor dining table in bright sun. I let them sit out there for hours, and yeah, you won't smell anything as long as you let them air out. Otherwise, it's gonna smell like wildflowers. Boom, is that not gorgeous? Like, I love these. I have them all over little parts of my house. They fill in a space beautifully, so couldn't be happier with those. Candle snuffer. Really, this is just for looks. Now I'm gonna go in with these beautiful candles. Look at the detail if you can. So pretty. LED, comes with a remote. And I'm putting them in these beautiful taper candle holders I also found on Amazon. This is all from Amazon. I'll link it. I hope it's available because these do not disappoint. Now, because these taper candle holders are the same size, I'm going to go in with this little riser I made with my X tool machine, and I'm going to elevate just one so it will look more like this, which is the look I'm going for. So now I have this beautiful glass ambery colored pumpkin. I'm going to sit it right here. So these are from Amazon. Not gonna lie, these are a little bit of a splurge, but I save for them, and the bonus part is it comes in a set of 2. So it's a twofer. These are huge. You could put these on a huge coffee table, on your kitchen island, on your dining room table. There are so many uses for these. So I highly recommend these. These are fabulous quality. I'm not certain, but I think this was mud pie. Don't quote me on that. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, but I love these. I'm gonna sit them down and angle them. Time to layer, going in with 2 of these. This is my base. to turn it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Hobby Lobby. Going in with this pheasant. Y'all, isn't this cute? I am obsessed with this look. I think it is so adorable for fall. I love it. And I like how these like little wispy green pieces come off the side. I love the pop of brown. I love Mr. Pheasant, so cute. And the acorns and the pumpkins mixed in. Now let's do some coffee table styling. Oh, and I wanted to show you the mantle colors and how they're all tying in with the colors here in the family room. Filling my heart with all the warm autumn feels. Some things will remain the same on the coffee table that you've seen before, and then we're gonna add to it. And I like a lot of stuff on my coffee table, so there will be no minimalism here. We're going in with this coffee table book holder. We're going in with these rustic beads, almost as if that's where I left off reading. Wink. Next, I'm going in with this dough bowl that I found at Home Centric. It was only $19.99. It's super heavy and really good quality. And what I did was fill it with these wooden acorns and these faux leather pumpkins. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby last year. But I love this more subtle color of orange, orangey brown with my decor, mixed in with the dark brown. I think it looks really pretty. So I'm gonna place that. Okay, next, I found this on Amazon. I thought it was super fun and unique. I hadn't seen anything like it. And now I'm gonna put some lamp oil in here and set it on the coffee table. I have two of these trays. They're both from Amazon. They come as a set. And again, they're a little chunk of change, but worth the splurge. They look very vintage, old, used, weathered. I love them. This tray is more for practicality purposes. I'm gonna set my oil lamp on it with my remotes, and that's it. I went to this boutique in town and I found this little candle. It smells so good, let me tell you. And I love to light this at night. Going in with this large round marble piece, and I take the top and I flip it this way, sit it in the center, and then I place my candle on top. It fits perfect. Something's going there. So here's the smaller version. So right there is a stack of coasters, then a little fall floral stem, a leaf, and a candle. Now underneath here, I am looking for the perfect woven, huge, large baskets to put under here. I haven't found the color I'm looking for. I have a place to put throw blankets and things like that. Now with my coffee table display, I really feel like I can get away with putting a lot on here because it is a rather large table. Plus, I have this huge open space, pardon the light ring. I think I can get away with it. I'll tell you, at night, this looks so cute. Well, friends, I just looked at my phone and I am well over 35 minutes of filming, which means I'm gonna have to chop a lot of these clips. So I'm not gonna make this video even longer for you guys, especially on a Friday video. I know you guys are ready to kick off the weekend. So what we'll do is finish up the floating shelves in 2 cabinets, and then we'll do a room tour. That will be next week. We still have bedrooms to do. We still have the laundry room and the butler's pantry to do. So those things will all be coming up. We've taken on a little landscape project in the backyard. It's turning out beautiful. And so we've planted trees and shrubs. We've cut out landscape islands, and the lighting just came in. My husband was playing with it last night, and oh my gosh, it looked gorgeous. So I'll be sharing that. The spa is up and running, so your girl is happy. So is my husband. We are so happy. And yeah, so we're back on track. We'll see if things get completed next week. We've got rock and mulch and trees to be planted. And then hopefully I can share that before all the leaves fall off the tree. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend. I love you all so much. Enjoy those fall colors and the cooler weather. And I will see you back here next week. All right, guys. Mwah. Bye, guys.